In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the profits that I made last week using Tiblio. But before we get into the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. And right now, when you sign up for MOOMOO using the referral link down below in the description, you can get 5 free stocks valued up to $3,500. So don't miss out on that. Be sure to check that out down below in the description. And one last thing before we get in the video, I'm just gonna take my Instagram and leave it right here. Do with it as you will, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Today's video is brought to you by Tiblio, a complete crypto stock trading system with pro-level tools, real-time market data and news, as well as the fastest scanners in the market. Tiblio provides traders with the leading tools and fastest data in the market so that you and I can find the best opportunities to maximize profit and build wealth. Today, when you sign up for Tiblio Pro, you'll also get access to my Discord as well as the Tiblio Active Trader Discord for free. Tiblio Pro is only $34.95 each month, or get 2 months free by paying for the whole year upfront at an annual price of $349.50. Not sure if it's worth it? Sign up using my referral link down below in the description and get 7 days for only $1 with all the trades, the trading journal, the screeners, not to mention the Discord and everything else that Tiblio has to offer. I can pretty much guarantee you'll love it. Now back to the video. All right, so here we are yet again on the Tiblio platform. And if you weren't here last time, last week's video will be linked down below in the description. But yeah, here is our current progress. These are the results for the month as of the end of the second week of February. So as of right now, using Tiblio, we have an 88% win ratio, a $41.57 average win per each trade we take, and expected profit for trade is $28.62. And this is one thing I could see people asking me questions about. But so for those of you that don't realize, the reason that the expected profit per trade is a little different than the average profit per trade is going to be the fact that this is only accounting for the winning trades. This is accounting for overall trades. So this past week, I did take a loss. It was pretty major. And one crazy thing about it is if we did not take that loss, or if I held on to it a day longer, this would be looking a lot better right here on the total P&L. But again, really can't complain. Hit more than 10% both weeks. And again, the crazy thing about this is over the past 2 weeks, we started with $1,000 and we have already increased it by just under 28%. It's been increased by $279. And the crazy thing is Tiblio only costs $35 a month. It's crazy, in the span of only 2 weeks, I've pretty much made the amount to buy Tiblio's subscription for the year. So that's kind of cool in my opinion. I'm excited to see where we end the month. But anyways, kind of looking at what's going on. So yeah, looking at Tiblio, looking at the trades I made, there's one thing I feel they could probably, one thing I personally think they could improve on. I do like how they have all your trades separated by symbol, but I would also, just for the sake of like me reading these videos, I think it would be pretty cool if I could see these trades in order, because that's one thing that you can't see. So by no means is this the order that I made my trades, but I did make trades on a number of these. And at the moment you can see that I am currently still in an Airbnb trade. I have 1 contract on Airbnb, 5 contracts on AMD, but I've already made some money on AMD. Currently in COINBASE, currently in Facebook. Ignore this Lucid right here. This is actually a different account. I really love the fact that you can log your shares. And yeah, that's kind of where we're at. So being 100% real with you, I don't know exactly which ones I took profit in, just because it doesn't show the order. But I can definitely tell you where I took the loss last week, because there's only 1 loss I've taken while I've been doing this. And it's going to be right here on the QQQ. So as you can see right here on the QQQ, I took a $124 loss. And if we actually view the log, you can see that I sold a call credit spread for $70 and I ended up buying it back for $132. So that's how we're doing on that. Actually, let me show you real quick one funny thing, or kind of sad in my opinion. Bring this over real quick. If we take a look at the SPY right here, the SPY is trading at 440. That contract is still a contract for people. If I held on to it, I would still have it. But yeah, The SPY is trading at 440, and I definitely would have taken profits on that because the strikes for that is for 362, 364. So yeah, if I would have just held on a little bit longer. But anyways, I'll definitely take 88% over what I feel like whenever I trade. It's kind of 50-50s, and that's how week 2 treated me. 2 weeks in, and I am already up just under 28%. If you ask me, Tiblio is severely undervalued. I've actually paid for similar services in the past, costing upwards of $200. Tiblio is only $35 a month, which again, in my opinion, is severely undervalued. If you're interested in trying out Tiblio and want to try out 7 days for only $1, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. Also, don't forget about your 5 free stocks with MOOMOO. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. And last, but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.